You're actually sitting on a Piper Aztec that's on straight floats, and when they put them on straight floats, it's called a Nomad. Well, it's a multi-engine sea airplane, straight float airplane. You have no amphibious gear to worry about. If you're used to flying a floated airplane, such as some of the Cessnas, it's a real easy way to adapt to it. The floats are made from Edo, which is now Kenmore Air Harbor, and they're actually a set of floats that belong on a de Havilland Beaver. It's been around, I think, since the mid-'60s, and I don't know who owned the STC then. There was an STC to put these floats on the Aztec, and I think its original thought was that it has the same useful load as a de Havilland Beaver, but you have two engines, but it's considerably faster than a Beaver. A Beaver's a 90-knot airplane. This could be a 120-knot airplane, so some 30 knots faster, and it'll haul the same load as a Beaver. That's what the Nomad guys in Canada are touting. We bought it for a training vehicle to enhance our 141 program, which we have the only one for seaplanes that the FAA has in their whole repertoire, but we want to add the multi-engine C to the 141 program. The new thing is the guys with the air cams are trying to get the air cam with an exemption because it's experimental. But we stumbled on the Aztec and we're kind of looking around for something of this nature. The hull-mounted airplanes, the hull airplanes, the Grummins, they can get kind of cantankerous to fly. If you're used to flying a floated Cessna, it's a real easy way to transition into this. Other than it having two engines, it's a floated airplane, it's the same characteristics. It's got the normally aspirated Lycoming 540 engine, which is a proven engine design. They're in all the Navajos, they're in the Cherokee 6s. Its engine's been around a long time, very, very reliable. Oh, it's got some old generation avionics. I think the company will eventually change the avionics. We have a few things we want to do to it and enhance the inside of it. I think eventually we would love to try to start doing ATP multi-engine C. I think the long-range goal is for that. It's year-round flying down here for the most part. You get to explore New Orleans if you want to venture in New Orleans, and come fly the Aztec with us.